Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore all the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. And you might recall from last week that we were dealing with the creation of the 3D model of this rather poorly documented job. So that's the model, and you'll notice that last week we actually added a whole bunch of extra stuff that we don't really need. And that was for a particular reason. It's bigger than we need because we want these bits out here. Now, using the tools in AppliCad, there's a whole bunch of very cool functions, and some of them are automatic, which make it really easy. So, for example, taking this part out here, I will just use the cutout function. So if instead of auto tracking the cutout, I'm going to digitize the cutout, and I'm going to select the planes to cut, and plus or minus 45 is a good idea. And so we zoom in, we're going to come straight down that line there, down to this corner here, and out to there, and close square, and select the plane to cut, and I'm going to cut that one. So straight away you'll see that this is a pretty straightforward way of, if we design the place a little bit too big, we can actually get it. So using crosshairs, lining it up with the cutout above, close square, and select the planes to cut, that one, and you'll see straight away we've got the basic geometry that we need. On the downside of the roof, not the downside of the whole process, is this part. So if we were to use the Atrium function for that, so we want to cut out an atrium along that edge. I'm going to measure from that end down to, zoom in, down to there. The width of it will be from there to there, and the depth of it will be from there out to the edge, and let's say that was about 950. And because we're going to cut it out, we hit OK, and that cuts it out. 900, beautiful. We want to take the whole thing off all the way through, so, well, blow me down, we use the cutout function again. So we go from there into there, down to there, close square, select the plane to cut, is that one, and yes. So hopefully that was instructive. There's a lot going on with this thing, and it's not difficult once you know how. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week on Feature Friday.